You're not gonna believe what this luxury apartment costs in Da Nang, Vietnam. All right, so we got our parking garage. Really common in a lot of these upscale joints. You get a full-on parking garage. Check this out. Park your motorbike, it's kept safely. There's an attendant over there to keep an eye on it and give you a ticket. And if you happen to have a car, they got parking for that too. Let's take a look and see what's cracking. Got a nice lady at the desk, got a lobby. Even got your mailbox here. Now that's something rare. You want to take a ride up in the elevator and see the crib? Let's go. Got security card here so nobody's getting up into your crib. It's a one-bedroom apartment in the heart of Hai Chau. It's got modern finishes, a pool, a gym, a private garage, coffee shop, and all the amenities you would get at a resort. Let's take a tour. Here she is, high above Da Nang City on the 4th floor. Ton of counter space, got a convection oven, got a microwave down here, pull-out table if you want some more guests. Nice living room with the divider. Looks like a 65-inch TV to me. Nice. Got your guest bath with your washer and dryer, one-stop shop there. Now where the magic happens, in the bedroom, let's check it out. Nice setup. Looks like a Hilton resort, I'll tell you. Another 65-inch in the bedroom just in case you need another TV set. This is something I haven't seen very often. A huge closet with shelving to hang your stuff. A big, big plus, y'all. Master bath with its own shower. You ready to go check out the gym and the pool? Let's go, do toy. All right, here's the studio. If you want some yoga, if you want some Zumba, they got you right over here. Let's go check out the gym. Wait till you see the gym, this is fire. Four classes scheduled every day. Need a sauna? Yeah, they got that too. Who's ready for a swim overlooking the city? I know I am. Get a load of this gym. They got everything. All right, so this apartment with all this amenities is $722 a month. Can you believe it? $722 for all of this luxury. Follow along for more real life and more real apartments in Vietnam, peoples. Peace and love, y'all. Peace and love.